log cabin remains one of my favourite patterns. The quilt behind me has been inspired by the more traditional version. It's actually just a quarter of the block, and the pieces have been divided by a bit of sashing. So, and then on top of that, the regular block has been turned on point, which I always think actually gives a much more interesting look. The quilt behind me was made with pre-cuts. It's a mixture of jelly roll and 5-inch squares, which are from the Allison glass range and are really bright and cheerful. So that's your coordinated quilt. But if you've been inspired, you could be inspired to make a scrap quilt. So the construction method would be the same, and I'm going to talk you through each of the blocks.